Did you click always and wish you could take it back? Here's how to reset default apps in Android. If you have ever opened a file or an internet link with a certain app, and you chose always when prompted, then that type of file will be opened with that app every time. If you ever wish you could rethink your initial decision, however, then you're in luck. Here's how to reset your app preferences in Android. Reset on Android settings is one of the very useful features in our devices that erases all our app settings at once from our phones and makes our device almost new. There are several reasons that cause you to do resetting on your Android phone, and it has some benefits and drawbacks too. It is suggested not to do a factory reset so often. It is supposed to be done rarely, so the less damage may occur. Welcome, in Naja channel. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, press the button below, and get notifications. I will keep you in mind for my earliest video. Jesus bless you.